Hello lovelies, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. So, have you ever wondered why do we hear different sounds for the vowels? Like we hear A as A in ant and A as A in nail, isn't it? Why is it so? So yes, in this video we will learn about short vowel sounds and long vowel sounds. Okay, so all the vowels have usually more than one sound. Okay, first let's revise what are the short sounds or short vowel sounds of these five vowels. A sound of A is A, sound of E is A, sound of I is I, sound of O is O, and sound of U is A. But many times we hear A as a nail, paint, right? And E as E in jeep, sheep, right? In tree. Then we hear O as O in ocean, isn't it? Coat, boat, right? We hear I as I in tie, pie, right? Then we hear U as U in blue, clue, glue, right? So these are known as their long vowel sound. So usually when one vowel is adjacent to some other vowel, okay, it means that one vowel is present with another vowel, then we hear the long vowel sound, okay, like N-A-I-L. A and I are just adjacent to each other. So there we will hear the sound of the first letter, first vowel, that is A, okay. So that is N-A-I-L is A-L, nail, okay. So now today I'll recite two rhymes. One is for short vowel song and another one is the long vowel song. Okay. So I hope you enjoy both the rhymes and practice it well. So let's start. The first song is the short vowel song. Okay. Ambulance has an A. Ankle has an A. Cat, mat and alligator also have an A. Elbow has an A. Engine has an A. Pet, net and elephant also have an A. Insect has an E. Iguana has an E. Ink, pillow and igloo also have an E. Ostrich has an O. Orchid has an O. Top, pot and octopus also have an O. Uncle has an A. Under has an A. Cup, tub and umbrella also have an A. The cat and the pat. The pig and the pot. The uncle and the umbrella. The vowels we have got. So did you enjoy this rhyme? So let's recite it again. Please sing along with me. Come on. Ambulance has an A. Ankle has an A. Cat, mat and alligator also have an A. Elbow has an A. Engine has an A. Pet, net and elephant also have an A. Insect has an E. Iguana has an E. Ink, pillow and igloo also have an E. Ostrich has an O. Orchid has an O. Top, pot and octopus also have an O. Uncle has an A. Under has an A. Cup, tub and umbrella also have an A. The cat and the pat. The pig and the pot. The uncle and the umbrella. The vowels we have got. So, I hope you have understood the short vowel song. Now, we will learn about the long vowel sound or the extended vowel sound. Okay. So, whenever two vowels come together, they make a extended vowel sound. Okay. As in, when AI come together, they make A sound. When double E is together, we can hear E sound. When I and E come together, we hear I sound. Okay. So usually the first letter, we hear the sound of the first letter. As in AI is A, double E is E, IE is I, OA is O, and UE is U. Okay. So let's recite a rhyme of extended vowel or the long vowel song. Okay. A in paint and mill, A in train and snail, A in nail and pin, A say again and again, E in sheep and knee, E in three and B, E in jeep and queen, let's say in glee. I in pie and lie, I in die and die, I in tried and fry. Let's all say I. O in coat and goat, O in boat and float, O in road and bore. Oh, let me hear you roar. You in clue and blue, you in clue and true, you in value and due, you, let me hear you. So let's recite this rhyme again. Come children, let's start. A in paint and mail, A in train and snail, A in nail and pail, A say again and again. E in sheep and knee, E in tree and bee, E in jeep and queen, let's say in glee. I in pie and lie, I in tie and die, I in tried and fried. Let's all say I. O in goat and goat, O in boat and float, O in road and board. Oh, let me hear you roar. You in glue and blue, you in glue and true, you in value and due, you, let me hear you. So I hope you enjoyed this rhyme. Thank you for watching this video. Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.